So I can start. All of us knows what telemedicine is. Well, what's the reason so low percent of society is using these solutions regularly? My name is Peter Kaleta and I know how to solve this problem. We are living in super modern world, yet there are a number of patients struggling with accessing medical consultations. The reasons are many: distance, shame, scare, or time management. Many of these can be solved via teleconsultations, which patients are recently more and more aware. Let's analyze a little bit current system. All of nowadays solutions need as financial as technological entry barrier. There is also issue connected with no verification medical specialists, which creates unfair advantage and no guarantee of medical support quality. Just imagine telemedicine marketplace without any entry barrier taking care as for medical specialists as for patients. That's us. We verify market and validate establishments more 1.5 a year. We create solutions fitted 100% into specialist needs, but having all complex features for patient treatment. Besides functions which telemedicine solutions have, in Healthly there is possibility to issue online prescription, sick leave, or referral. There is also patients' files archive. All connections managed by our platform are fully saved, and data is stored on servers located on European Union territory. Possibility of gaining new clients and guarantee of payment is value added for specialists. We don't need to employ specialists, we give them tool to work. Our advantage is innovative R&D aspect, which is intelligent tool to initial interview with patients. Now you can see informations about serviceable obtainable market, serviceable available market, and also total available market. Because of low fixed cost Healthly break-even point is really low and stands at 3,720 consultations monthly. On this page, you can see having complex competences Healthly founders team. Nowadays, from technological side, on project are working seven software developers, 2 UX UI designers, project manager. We are also supported by experienced advisory board from as medical as business and law segment. Nowadays, we are a few days before first test implementation into medical facility in Gliwice. We are cooperating with, for example, Polish Development Fund and Technopark Gliwice. Healthly has finished incubation in Unicorn Hub, an accelerator Kraków Innotech Starter organized by Kraków Miastem Startupów. Thanks, guys. Feel free to contact, and now time for Q&A session.
Super. So we can move on straight to the 4 minutes of a Q&A. So who'd like to start with the questions? I think Carlos unmuted, so feel free to go.
Yeah, thanks for the presentation. How do you propose to differentiate yourself from what's already available in the market? I mean, this is a market where there's already multiple solutions available for multiple applications in telemedicine, from more scalable through to like chronic conditions and etc. So how do you intend to differentiate your platform versus other solutions that are already further along the road in terms of development?
So basically, nowadays solutions are focusing on development for patients. They're focusing to patients that will be easy to use and nice to use applications. We are in a different model. We think that when we focus on specialists, medical specialists, they will go and focus on their patients. So the patient have better treatment if the specialists are happy from using the platform. And we know right now those solutions, especially the biggest in Polish market, are very aggressive in the sales, and many of the specialists and the medical facilities right now are going to court with this provider of tool. So we want to be a partner, not an enemy or something that is needed to be used to operate.
On the other hand, our business model is based on commission fee per every consultation. We are not software as a service. We are not virtual medical facility. We are like a marketplace. This is the first point. The second point is approach to medical specialists, as Simon said before. The third innovation case is connected with R&D aspect, which is intelligent tool to initial interview with patient. And the fourth innovation point is connected with complex functionality and verification as of patient, as of specialist.
So basically, in our situation, the specialist or medical facility is paying for efforts because they are only paying when they find a client.
Thanks.
Any other questions from our judges? Sven, would you like to jump in?
Sure. Thank you guys for the presentation. Makes sense, and I can just agree with Carlos. There are a bunch of platforms already out there in the market. So in your pitch deck, you showed us a platform. Did you guys develop it yourself? You know, the video platform, or are you using any? Like, what's there in the back end, and where are you guys hosted on? Because I think that's also a big thing, the bandwidth.
Well, we developed the platform ourselves, but we are operating on the what was the software?
Jitsi?
Jitsi, yeah, it's a Jitsi, and this is open open application for make like video consultation platform for your own. But basically, we built it our own. One of our co-founder is CEO of the software house, and right now on the product is working whole team of developers, and we are preparing to launch.
Okay, and if I find sorry to ask this, but are you guys out there in the market? Do you have a beta to look at, or when are you releasing?
We are releasing probably in 1 month. Right now, we are preparing to start the closed test with Gliwice Hospital, and we are already preparing those tests with them. And after those tests, we close tests with them. We want to enter the market with our solution.
Thank you.